Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, it's been a minute since I have done a challenge. So there are a load of challenges up on Instagram now at the moment, and Fire Dazzled is an Instagrammer. I will link below. If I can, I'll link above her Instagram page, or his, I'm not really sure, but it is hashtag Fire Dazzled April. And that is the challenge. So for today's challenge, the challenge is feathers. So what I thought I'd do is something that I have never done before. So we're going to start off on our silicone mat. I just have the Born Pretty one, so we will put that down. Because I want to use are nice bright colours. So we have Violet Femme, we have Hot Lips, and we have Tingle, and these are all picture polishes. Perfect. So we'll just top coat that then. So while that is drying, then I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite white gel top coat, and it is True White by the Manicure Company. Yes, it does need 2 coats, but it just glides on, and I love the Manicure Company's polishes. They are just absolutely fabulous. So I have removed the surface shine. I have wiped over with gel polish prep and wipe, and because I'm going in on gels and not on acrylic or not on natural nail, we don't need the base coat. And just getting close up to the edge now, because I have that contact dermatitis. I am actually allergic to gel polishes, so I just have to be very, very careful that none go on my skin. And once there's none on my skin and there is that coat of builder gel in between my nail bed and the gel polish, I am fine to go. And I'll cure that then, and I will do it all over again. Now I have gone in with the second coat, and I have also gone in with OPI's top coat. I like their top coat, and I've cured that. Now the theme is feathers, but I didn't want to just go ahead and stamp feathers on, because we have those lovely purple, pink and teal smush. So I thought I would do a Dreamcatcher instead. Now I do have this plate here that has a Dreamcatcher on it, but it's just like really small, so I thought I'd build my own Dreamcatcher. So I do have this mandala plate. It's Bundle Monster BPL051. I will link them below, and I just think this image would be great as it's so circular to build a Dreamcatcher. And then if we go in with the Lina 4 Seasons Summer 02, and this has a lovely feather images. Now I will actually have to stamp one feather at a time and colour it in, just so I can place it at the end of each of the homemade Dreamcatcher. So let's do that, something different. But yeah, we will definitely have to go in with some liquid latex. I like the Nail Artisan one, and I will liquid latex my baby, my big and my thumb, because this is the ones that we are going to stamp on. So just so I can place the circle at the cuticle, I am definitely going to need to go in with a clear stamper. So I am actually just going to remove half. That is perfect. And I'll do the same with my baby and my thumb. Perfect. And there we go. So now we just need to build up our little feathers. Sorry, lost my train of thought there. 100%. So we are going to remove the ones we don't want. And we will colour in using those 3 colours, the purple, teal and pink, and we will put them on the nail then. Now, so while they're coloured in and they're so close together, I just need to be so careful when I'm putting them on, because I do not want some down the end of the nail. I just want them attached to that. So there we have 2 done, and I'm going to have to do some, obviously do some more, and I'll do that off camera so I can put it on to the last one before we put that colour blend back on the nail. So for the thumb, I wanted to go slightly different. As you can see, I've removed most of the feathers, but I've left these 3 on, and I want this one that bit longer, so I am going to have to join it with the brush because I'm going to place them on as is. So using my cuticle pusher, I'm just going to remove it off the mat and then quickly cut it in half. And then I'm going to apply some clear polish onto the nail just so it adheres. Now the heat off your finger will make it stick to that, and then you're just going to rub it down and remove your edges. I'm using the tweezers this time because I found it was very fiddly last time because the heat of my fingers. Now, so on my cleanup brush, I'm just using pure acetone, and that will remove any unwanted edges, and it'll also just bind it onto the nail at the free edge as well. So here they are, the finished nails. So I've done the opposite on this hand. I've done this finger and this finger as opposed to this and the thumb in the stamping, and I think they're really pretty. The colours look really well together. I'd love to see this in like sunset colours like oranges and yellows and reds on the squishies. So I'll definitely do something like that for you, maybe coming up soon. So if you liked this, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and of course check out Fire Dazzle challenges on the Instagram. I sound like I'm 90 on Instagram. Okay guys, so stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.